All right, everybody. I'm showing you. Let me turn my headlight on real fast. It's dark. Oops. Okay, everybody. This is my first ever fire alarm system I've ever worked on. It's a pretty old system. See, it's got these old heat detectors on it. One of them was actually bad. See, this one's actually still good. There's no discoloration around the bulb. This is the one I took out right here. Just took it and spliced everything back so it just run back regular like it was. So everything we hooked up. Just took that one out the loop. So here we go. First test. First off, we're gonna start with the test switch. The fire alarm test switch. Test switch. Oh, didn't engage the disconnect first. Let's do that. Okay, disconnect engaged. We've got power, switch, test. Working pretty good. That's test one for the whole system. Now we're going to do an individual pull station test. Pull station one, basement. That one's good. Pull station number two, front door entrance. That's working. Pull station three. And now, last but not least, pull station four. And that's it.